the bill, really, the original bill, when I was asked to introduce this bill, is to promote the idea of savings. And the credit unions in particular have used this type of promotional contest to encourage and attract their members to save more money. And you know, one of the things, I had gotten an email from a local credit union person just the other day about this particular bill and how interested she was. She had followed it, unbeknownst to me, since the bill had been introduced. And this person said, you know, anything we can do to promote savings and thrift, and that's the way the promotion works. You win the prize, it goes into your account. And anything we can do to promote that, particularly among these type savers, that will be a big help when they have need for some cushion that they've saved money for. Because a lot of folks, if you look at the statistics, it's really hard to appreciate, a lot of folks don't have a rainy day fund, and it's very difficult when something breaks or there's some sort of issue with a car repair, or even you know, if you think about it, not too many months ago, I had to have a root canal done on a Monday afternoon before I came back. And under the state plan, that root canal cost me a lot of money. Most of you know that those things are pretty expensive. And yeah, and I can't imagine, you know, being faced with that kind of bill, not having the money to pay it. But there's a lot of people that don't. And this is one of these situations where it's designed to help people, you know, have that kind of resource.